In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set rules for your Google Forms questions. If you've ever found yourself needing to create structured and precise questions in Google Forms, then this tutorial is perfect for you. It's all about making your forms smarter with specific input requirements, ensuring the data you collect is exactly what you're looking for. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. Simply open your browser and navigate to your Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a collection of your documents and apps that you can use. The next step is to click on the Apps icon, a small grid typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This will show you various Google apps available for use. What you're looking for is Google Forms, so go ahead and click on that. With Google Forms open, choose a form that you want to work on. Maybe it's something you've already created, or perhaps you're starting fresh with a new form. The choice is yours. Just select the form you wish to edit. Remember that this option is especially useful if your form includes short answer or paragraph responses. These are the question types where adding rules will be most beneficial. Once in the form, locate the question you want to add rules to. To access more options, click on the three dots you'll find at the bottom right of the question box. This is where you'll find the feature called Response Validation. Clicking on Response Validation will open a series of settings that allow you to control the type of responses you want to accept. Now you have several options to explore. If you wish, you can set a character count, which ensures that respondents adhere to a minimum or maximum character limit in their answers. This is particularly handy when you want to prevent too short or overly lengthy responses. There's also the option to set a numerical value. This can be useful in forms requiring specific data ranges, or when the answer must be a specific type of number. Finally, you can also customize the error message that appears if someone inputs an invalid response. This message should be clear and instructive, letting respondents know precisely why their entry isn't accepted and how they can correct it. By applying these simple rules, you enhance the functionality and precision of your Google Forms, ensuring that each response you gather is relevant and conforms to your data needs. So go ahead, experiment with these settings and customize them according to your project requirements. With these tools at your disposal, you'll not only collect better data but also streamline the process for your respondents. Thank you for joining today and happy form creating.